So dear students, I think you might have been well clear about the balanced forces. Means when the resultant forces becomes zero, means when the opposite acting forces cancel out each other, at the time net force becomes zero, that states is balanced states, and the forces acting on that balanced body or balanced object or the rest object is known as balanced forces. Now let us study what is unbalanced forces. Means take the same body, suppose force of reaction is cancelled out by the force acting due to the downward due to the weight on a ground floor, and when I am pushing here and friction force always acts opposite to the pushing force, means against the motion, and in this case if pushing force is greater than friction force, then body starts to move in this direction. Body moves in this direction. Means at the time the body is moving because some forces is being greater than the opposite forces. Means here pushing forces means whatever I am pushing, it is being greater than the frictional forces. So this body A starts to move in this direction, means greater force directions. As a result, the condition is unbalanced here, and hence the forces acting here is known as unbalanced force. Means net force gonna be something else, not the zero here. Means remember, in a balanced condition, means in the rest position or the stationary position, the forces are zero, means net force becomes zero. But in unbalanced forces, means pushing force is being greater than the frictional forces, so the body is moving in this direction, means net force is not zero here, means resultant forces is not zero, that of balanced state. Means when you push the wall and wall is not pushing, if it is not moving, that is the state of the balanced condition. But when you just paddle your bicycles, then bicycle is moving in your direction, it means it is the unbalanced states. So as the forces are acting in that condition, while bicycling is unbalanced, while pushing the wall or while just pulling the some heavy object, if you are not able to pull out, then that is the condition of the balanced forces.